Hi guys, today we're gonna go out and catch some finger mullets. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna cast net them hopefully. Let's see what happens and stay tuned, and then we'll come back with some more information about it when we're done. I have no clue if there's gonna be any, but hopefully we'll catch a whole bunch of them. So stay tuned. The mullet is vegetarian, that's why it's so hard to catch also on hook and so forth. You can do it on flies if you're lucky, but they're vegetarian. They're actually also quite good eating fish if you get them to a certain size. However, we're not using them very much. The mullet itself is a fast swimmer. It jumps as well quite a bit. And right now they're migrating up and down the coastline here in Florida, so they should be easy to catch. They're used for baits, and they're really good bait fish for both snook and tarpon, and even sharks as well. See what I threw this thing? Huh? Did you? Did you see that? And it's like all over the place. Look at that. Look at all these fishes I got down there. Now tell me if I'm not good. Look at that. I got the whole weed stuff as well, and I don't know how many I got in here. I got a lot.
Oh my god.
This is what we're after. Hey, up he goes. That's exactly what he wants. Right size, everything. Cool. Here we go, catching stuff.
Dinner. That's a big one though.
Yeah. That's the one that got shark on out there.
Really?
Yeah. Huh? There you go.
Oh my god, that's a giant. I never seen this
pretty,
so
huh?
big.
He's pretty.
Yay.
This is what we offer. Look at
Posh. Nice catch.
that. Now look at that. I gotta get it up too. It's heavy as hell. So.
definitely big and shiny. Show me. Yay! Yay! It's almost my size.
Speckled trout. Or gator trout. Look at
Nice.
that. Bang.
Holy crap, look it up now. Dracula. So they should have called him Dracula. It has
They could have.
right?
Yeah.
It's really nice and shiny. Which one is that one?
That's a Spanish mackerel.
Spanish.
Yeah, you want to talk to him?
Hi. Hola. ¿Cómo está?
He's got some big teeth.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you don't want to get messed with
Do I
him.
have the many teeth like that? Holy crap.
He's really... There you go.
Hey, that's a lot of teeth.
Yeah, I'm going to let him go.
Yeah.